Hey guys, Paul Kalmar here, and today we are going to be discussing the Emergency Fund for the People Act. This act basically states that every U.S. resident should receive $2,000 per month for the next year. This also includes $500 per month per child, up to $1,500, and $4,000 for any married couple. So the only limitations on this are that the resident needs to be over the age of 16 and needs to make under $130,000 annually. This is 70% of the population that would be eligible for this. And this bill is designed to help people deal with coronavirus, loss of employment related to coronavirus, and any expenses that may arise due to the coronavirus. And it's still very unlikely to pass through the government because it still needs to go through voting by the House of Representatives, the House of Senate, and it also needs to be approved by the President or 2/3 of the Senate. But even though this act seems pretty awesome, it does have its drawbacks. So it has a lot of traction on the internet because it is giving people free money. Who does not like free money? But some of the issues that arise when you look deeper into this plan is that it's a huge amount of money that will need to be distributed. So if it's $2,000 per person per month and it's 70% of the population, that means that 229 million people are applicable for this, and that it's $458 billion per month. This equates to 5,500 billion or $5.5 trillion that needs to be allocated to this for a year. And basically that's more than double the current plan that was enacted by President Donald Trump. And the issue with that is it's a lot of money that the Senate needs to allocate for this. This is more money than it has ever allocated for one specific purpose. Wow, that was a difficult word. But yeah, and another major issue is that because it's so much money, inflation can arise in our society, meaning that because so much money is poured into the economy without any labor being done for that money to be earned, it can cause mass inflation because there's more money in the economy, same amount of work being done, even less than normal amount of work being done. Another issue that would arise is that many people with their unemployment checks, because this is completely unrelated from unemployment, they can make over $6,000 per month just sitting at home, dragging down the economy. And the issue with this is that's really not what people want them to do. People want them to work. As soon as the coronavirus pandemic is over, people should go back to work, but this plan would encourage otherwise. So don't get me wrong, I really like this plan and I believe that it should be enacted as soon as possible because the current $1,200 that was given out to the people is just not going to cut it. It's insufficient funds because a survey was taken and most Americans voted that $1,200 would only be enough to cover 1 month of their expenses or less. And because of this, I believe that House of Representatives and Senate should approve it, but they need to make some drastic changes to solve the issues that I pointed out, or change them in some form. Change the bill to make it work better. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on this topic in future videos. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure to like. And if you really enjoyed, subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. And that's all for today. Till next time.